So if you're curious as to how you're going to heal the goose as one of your quests in Where Winds Meet, then this is what you're going to do. You're just going to go ahead and start by tracking the quest. So open up the menu, select quest, go to encounter, and then, go to exploration, and then select to heal or not to heal. You'll see here it says a sick goose. So all you need to do is simply track the quest. From here, you just need to go back and then just follow the map until you find the goose. So as you can see, it's currently there ahead of me. So all I need to do is go ahead and find it. And then once you've found the goose, you're going to use your wind sense in order for you to be able to detect what it exactly needs healing with. So go ahead and talk to it, and then treat the goose. So go ahead and use wind sense and hover your cursor over the goose, and you can see here what exactly the illness is. It's a bone fracture. So you're going to press on heal and then confirm what reward you want after you successfully healed the goose. Once you've confirmed your reward, simply start the treatment and now go through the process of healing the goose. So it will tell you the disease as well as give you instructions on what healing is exactly. So simply select start treatment and go ahead and choose the treatment that you're going to give the goose. You have a certain amount of health that you have available to you as you're going through the treatment process, and the disease also has its own health bar. And bear in mind that as you're treating the patient, it will go through a process of attacking. So keep that in mind whenever you're treating a patient. So don't treat a patient that has too much disease buff against your healing. When you're ready to go to the next cycle, simply select that, wait for the symptom outbreak to move along, and then go ahead and finish treating the goose. Once you've successfully treated the goose, you'll see it says healing successful. And now you've successfully completed this quest and you've successfully gotten your reward. So you can go there and you'll have also leveled up if that's something that's needed, and you'll have gotten a talent point. And so that is how you can treat a sick goose in Where Winds Meet. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.